Why don't you encourage your customers to trade up by taking your dough balls to the next level? And you can do that by using our Tabasco pepper sauces. It's quite easy to add our extra hot scorpion pepper sauce, our spicy sriracha, our regular red, or even our chipotle to spice up the butter that you're going to use in your dough balls. Today, I'm going to use some sriracha. And I have some butter here, and all you need to do is add a small amount, stir that through into the butter, and then just place it into there. Dip. It's as simple as that.